Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change your game icon on Roblox step by step. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Let's get started. First, open Roblox in your browser and log in. At the top of the page, click Create. On the left sidebar, click on Creations. Under Experiences, find the game you want to update and click the gear icon or the three dots. Then choose Configure Experience. On the left menu, select Basic Settings. Now you'll see your current game icon. Click the pencil, edit icon next to it. Choose Upload Image and select a new picture from your computer. Click Open and then hit Save Changes. That's it. Your new game icon is now updated and will show up in search results and on the game's page. And that's how easy it is to change your Roblox game icon. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick Roblox guides from 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching and happy creating.